Americans facing some very tough choices as the coronavirus surges just before the Thanksgiving holiday. It's next Thursday. Officials in 28 states have tightened restrictions over the last 2 weeks. And during that period, the U.S. has recorded more than 100,000 new cases a day for 14 days in a row.
Those numbers are much higher than they were early in the pandemic. Omar Villafranca is in El Paso, Texas, where a stay-at-home order is already in effect. Omar, how are the city's hospitals handling the spike?
Well, good morning. We're here at the medical center, and there are more than 1,000 COVID patients in El Paso hospitals right now. For perspective, only 25 states have those kind of numbers. Now, the county judge here is working with businesses on new health restrictions as leaders across the country are working on new measures to slow the spread of the virus.
Across the country, a return of scenes from the earliest days of the pandemic. Long lines for testing from Los Angeles to Miami. In Chicago, grocery store shelves were emptied of essentials like toilet paper and cleaning supplies on Monday after the city's stay-at-home advisory went into effect. And each day, a parade of state and local leaders announcing new coronavirus restrictions.
This is simply the fastest increase California has seen.
California Governor Gavin Newsom announced Monday he was pulling an emergency brake on California's reopening, halting most indoor activities in 41 of the state's 58 counties. In Iowa, the strain on state hospitals led Governor Kim Reynolds to announce a new mask mandate in nearly all indoor spaces and a ban on indoor gatherings of more than 15 people after months of resisting calls to do so.
If Iowans don't buy into this, we lose, and our healthcare system will fail, and the cost in human life will be high.
And after new coronavirus cases jumped 700% in 2 months, Philadelphia officials announced a 6-week ban on indoor dining, gyms, and museums across the city.
The consequences to health of not doing it are really bad.
It's just been so overwhelming.
The virus continues to rip families apart. Bonnie Soria Nahara of El Paso lost 6 family members to COVID-19, including both her parents.
Not even an hour had passed when they tell me your mother just passed away, when I get a call and say, we're about to put your dad on a ventilator.
Nahara also lost an uncle, 2 aunts, and a cousin. She says watching her mother celebrate her final birthday a year ago is bittersweet.
I love seeing the videos because I love seeing her face. It makes me so mad that I am never gonna have the opportunity, that our kids, that our family is never gonna have the opportunity to have another birthday celebration.
There are some disturbing numbers out from the American Academy of Pediatrics. They say more than 1 million U.S. children have tested positive to date. That's 1 in every 11 cases since the start of the pandemic. And something else to consider, students are going to be coming home for the upcoming holiday season, and the CDC says while younger people and children tend to recover faster, they can also spread the disease much quicker. Tony?
It's definitely a concern. Omar, thank you very much.